Hi there. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of adding an alias record in GoDaddy, Cloudflare, Namecheap, and any other DNS setting page. An alias record is especially useful when you want your root domain to point to a host name instead of an IP address, without breaking the way DNS works. Not all domain registrars support alias records. If your registrar does not provide this option, you can point your domain via A records directly. So here I will walk through to do this from official sources like Namecheap Guide and other stuffs. Follow it carefully and don't forget to comment below if you are stuck anywhere. So, in my case, I came across this issue when I was setting custom domain at EasyWP. As shown here, many users get same issue with other platform like Squarespace and Shopify. So here we go. Let's start with GoDaddy. First, log into your GoDaddy account and head over to the My Products section. Find the domain you want to edit. Inside the DNS management page, click Add. In the type dropdown, look for Alias. You won't find it. So instead, what we will do is we will add a record and specific IP address for value. If you see it, select it and fill in the details. Host use @ for your root domain. Points to enter the IP address. It's shown on this official page. TTL. You can leave it as the default or set it to 1 hour for faster updates. Save the record. This gives the same end result, just with a slightly different method. Same way you can achieve the result on Cloudflare and Namecheap or any other DNS setting page. So instead alias record, you can set A records with specific IP addresses. Once you've done this in either GoDaddy or Cloudflare, you'll want to test if the record is working. So after the changes above in GoDaddy, let's again go to EasyWP setup page and check whether A records are working or not. Voila! It's changed. So this works. Open a terminal or use an online DNS checker tool. Look up your root domain and check if it resolves to the correct target hostname or IP address. You can also try visiting your domain in a browser to make sure it loads the right site. And that's it. You've learned how to add an alias record in GoDaddy, Cloudflare, plus what to do if your registrar doesn't support alias at all. If this helped, then like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such updates.